You are professional students. You are welcome to class once again. And in this class, we want to look at introduction to sampling method. We just completed source of data, a method of data collection. Let's look at sampling method. And when you conduct research about a group of people, it is really possible to collect data from every person in that group. Instead, you select a sample. When I'm talking about sample is the representative of what? Of a group. That's a sample. So you have to select the representative. For example, if they want Nigeria to present in some places in the world, you don't expect every Nigerian to be there. It's our president that will be there. So our president is our sample. Whatever he does it on behalf of every Nigerian. Understand? So that is a sample. And the sample is the group of individuals who will actually participate in the research and to draw a valid conclusion from your result.